What's up everyone, my name is Václav Černošek and I'm the founder of BlueLens production. And in this video I want to tell you about my experience with Meta Ray-Ban glasses after wearing them for 1 year. I want to share with you today why I even got these, what I'm using them for, what are the cons, what are the pros of them, and how has been my experience with these glasses. So for the beginning, let me tell you even why I got to purchase these glasses. So they came out probably like 2 years ago, I believe, but I didn't purchase them until the last year, and my main goal was to be using them for capturing behind the scenes for my video production business. So as I'm filming, to be wearing them and be capturing the behind the scenes of me filming events, social media content, weddings, and all of this, so I can start sharing it for my social media. Another purpose that I was thinking that I'm gonna also use them to film, like if I go to an event or if I go to like networking and something that I want to just capture and share it on social media. So pretty much the whole purpose for me was the camera, so I can film without having anything in my hands. And for example, at networking event I can be filming and I don't have to like pull out my phone or hold a camera. So this was a purpose for me, and right now I want to look more into if it actually get accomplished and what actually I found out that doesn't work as good as I was thinking that's gonna work for me. So let's start from the beginning. I got these glasses and first impression was really amazing because this is something that, you know, we were looking forward in the future might happen, that we might have glasses that's gonna have camera that you can call from and stuff like that, which these glasses all have. So actually they come in this very pretty case, which is actually where they also charge. So already the case looks pretty amazing. When you get the box, it looks really good. It's Ray-Ban here, so overall the experience with the glasses for the first impression came really nice. And then I started wearing them more while I was filming. And to be honest, I wanted to get kind of what was my vision, to get like smooth cinematic shots that I can put on my social media, and once the clients or potential clients gonna be watching, or anyone on my Instagram page, they're gonna feel like they're with me filming and they can actually see through my eyes how it feels to film. And if you go check my Instagram page, you're gonna see a few videos there, but kind of my experience started being that when I'm filming and I'm holding the camera, the videos doesn't come out as good. And it's not that the camera would be bad quality or anything, but for me as a filmmaker, the bad thing is that usually the camera is pretty close, so when I'm filming you cannot really tell how it looks like on the lens or anything through the camera. Also, many times what happens, and this is not just through filming but also wearing them, like when I wore them to events, like many times like you're actually moving your head a lot, and that's what actually many times I took them like to an event or filming and I'm wearing them for a long time actually recording, and then I go to edit a video from it and I look at it and it's like so many like fast movements, and that's something that doesn't go with the style for my Instagram videos. So that is definitely something that started more irritating me. So I told myself I need to do like slow movements, don't be looking crazy around. But you know how it is when you're filming a wedding or something, it's very busy, so you don't really realize that. But once I'm talking about the camera right now, the quality of the video that's coming out of this camera is pretty good. Pictures, videos came really good out of it, so I cannot complain about that. It's more about getting used to it, that when you're wearing it and you want to actually get like more cinematic shots or something that people can actually like watch, then don't do this because it's gonna be pretty shaky. The one thing that I loved about it, like for example, I took it like to events where I'm having a gimbal. So I'm having a camera with a gimbal, so it's pretty far more from my eyes, so you can really see the camera. If I did like a first look from my glasses, so you can see it there. Another thing, like when I did gender reveal, that was a pretty cool, because again the camera was on the gimbal, so you can see the camera and the gender reveal. So behind the scenes stuff like this, it's pretty amazing. Another thing that I want to talk about is how does it actually feel to have it on. For me personally, I don't wear normal glasses, and many people that have actual prescription glasses, and I met few people that have prescription glasses and have the Meta Ray-Ban. I feel like that's amazing, and they told me that it's great. Like one guy, he's actually also a filmmaker, he said that's perfect for him because he's used to wearing glasses, so he's just wearing glasses and he can also use it for recording. I don't use prescription glasses, so for me, I don't have problem wearing it at all. As you can see, I get these clear ones. You can get sunglasses or this clear one. So for me, I wanted the clear one because of one reason. When I'm filming inside, like an event, I still want to use the glasses so I can record behind the scenes, and I don't want it to be wearing sunglasses inside. So that's why I get the clear one, but you can choose, you can also change the lenses. So for those who actually wear the glasses normally, I'm sure it's no problem at all. For me, when I'm not used to it, and because I live in Florida, sometimes when I'm wearing them for like an hour or longer time, they get more sweaty for me. So then, I mean, it's still plastic, so sometimes here, but it's not big of a problem. And usually for me personally, I never wear them for like 5 hours straight. I usually put them on at the beginning of the like event or filming. I wear them for like 30-45 minutes, then put them back to the case, and then go ahead and film just with my camera, and then maybe at the middle or end just pop them out again to get some shots on it. And one big thing kinda that came through the update that I have to say is definitely a pro. At the beginning when I bought them like 1 year ago, the big thing was that when you started recording, it was recording just for 1 minute. Right now you can be actually recording videos up to 3 minutes, which I think is much beneficial than the 1 minute. Because for example, before when I had the 1 minute and I did like first look on the wedding, I started recording, you know how it is at the wedding, you never know when the couple actually gonna turn. 1 minute went by and I didn't get the shot. So once I have 3 minutes, I know what I'm actually getting, and that usually I get it. Sometimes the bad thing is that you forget to turn it off and then it's recording many times for 3 minutes and then you have footage that you didn't even want to. And as you can see right now, and I'm sure you saw probably videos about how these glasses work, but as I'm pointing right here, you have a button above where if you press one time, it's actually taking a picture. If you hold it, it starts recording. It records, as I said, up to 3 minutes, and then you can turn it off either through or it stops recording by itself. Also here on the side, there's a touchpad. Once you click it, for example, you can play a music, you can stop a music, you can turn the volume up and down. Also, these glasses have Meta AI, which is pretty amazing, because for example, if you're looking at something, you can just say the word for Meta and ask what you're looking for, it's gonna tell you. Also right now, these glasses, since it's the second generation, what it can do is it can translate for you. If you're speaking to somebody and they're speaking Spanish, for example, it can translate for you in English. I haven't tried this function yet, but I heard that it works pretty good, so I'm sure that shouldn't be a problem. Another thing is you can of course listen to music with these, which is good too. And you can, as I said, take pictures. You have the AI, so if you want to like give it a call or pick up a call, you can just talk and you don't have to even touch anything. So that's pretty amazing too. And now at the end, let me tell you this. If you haven't heard about it yet, Meta released a new product right now, which now is October 2025. And this product is coming out. And it's pretty much the same thing like what I have right now on, but it's better. And let me tell you why. Again, it has the camera, it can take pictures, videos, it has the AI, it has microphones you can call, listen to music, everything. But it has one big thing. It has a display right here. And what does that mean? If you put them on, you can be actually looking through them. Here in front of you, you're gonna see a display, and pretty much there you're gonna have your phone. So you don't have to pull up your phone. If you wanna send a text message, you actually wear a wristband, so you put it on your wrist and you can actually send a text message. If you wanna scroll through text messages, scroll through music, it has many tools that you can do. So these Meta Ray-Ban glasses are coming out. I'm excited what those actually gonna bring. I think they're gonna be amazing, and this is where the future is going, right? It's kind of hard to imagine that all of us would be wearing this all of the time and we wouldn't even have to pull up our phones for many of the tasks, but hey, maybe that's where we're heading at, and definitely I'm gonna be trying to upgrade for them in the future, as these are definitely great. I'm still gonna be using them for all the BTS. I can recommend them for the filmmakers for that, and looking forward to try the new ones with the displays. I'm sure you guys, you can go to, I think now they're actually doing throughout October, November, you can go check them out in the stores and maybe buy you a pair. But I'm looking forward to see how it's gonna look with the displays. I never even had Vision Pro on, so I'm definitely looking forward to that. And yeah, this is my experience after 1 year with the Ray-Ban Meta glasses. Thank you for watching this video. If you're new to this YouTube channel, I am a filmmaker in South Florida, having a video production business, and I film videos about video production, and I also film travel videos about South Florida and other places. So definitely check out my YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of these future videos. Make sure you comment down below if you ever use the Ray-Ban Meta glasses, or if you have them, and what is your experience. I'm wondering what other people think about this. And thank you again for watching this video, and I will see you at the next one.